Hey curry lovers, welcome back to the channel. Are you craving a taste of paradise? Then get ready to be transported to the lush green landscape of Kerala with this mouth-watering Kerala style mutton curry recipe. This isn't your ordinary mutton curry. We are talking about bursting flavors, a complex aroma that will have your kitchen smelling like a 5-star restaurant, and melt in your mouth mutton that's so tender you'll need a spoon. So if you are ready to embark a culinary adventure of South India, hit that like button, grab your favorite curry pot, and let's get cooking some Kerala magic. So first take 500 grams mutton washed and cut in medium pieces. Add some salt to taste. Add half teaspoon crushed black pepper. Add half tablespoon coriander powder. Add half tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half tablespoon garam masala, half tablespoon lemon juice, and then mix it and marinate it for about 1 hour. Then in a hot pan add the marinated meat. Add 1 cup water. Cover it and cook it until the water is nice and dry, something like this. Then give this a nice mix and leave it aside. Then in a hot pan add oil, add 3 onions sliced, add 3 garlic cloves chopped, add 1 inch ginger chopped, add 2 green chilies chopped, and fry it until the onion is nice and brown, something like this. Then add 2 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 tablespoon garam masala, half tablespoon fennel seed powder, and fry this for about 2 minutes on a low flame. Make sure the flame is not too high or else the masala will burn. Then add 1 tomato chopped, add 20 to 30 curry leaves, and fry this until the tomatoes are nice and soft. Then add 2 cups water and give this a nice mix. Then add the mutton. Also make sure to scrape the bottom of the pan with half cup water and add it to the pan because it has all the flavor, and give this a nice mix. Then add some coriander leaves chopped, add 1 stock cube, 2 tablespoon ghee, and then give this a nice mix. Then add some salt to taste and then boil it until the curry is nice and thick, something like this. Alright friends, there you have it, a steaming pot of fragrant Kerala style mutton curry ready to tantalize your taste buds. This dish is perfect served over fluffy white rice, upmas, and even roti. We guarantee it will disappear faster than you say seconds please. But don't just take our word for it. Let us know in the comment below what you think. What did you pair your curry with? Did you adjust the spice level to your liking? Let me know in the comments. Also, if you like this recipe, then please hit the like, and for more delicious adventures through the world of cuisine, smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you never miss a recipe. Also, do share my recipes with your friends and family. Thanks for joining us today. Until next time, happy cooking. Bye.